Now we'll see the half reaction method or ionic ion electron method. So I hope these are easy. Yes. So you have to do this in a single step. Okay, beta. Now I'll take one more reaction. So for this also you can take molar ratio or stoichiometry. Please go through the organic. Okay. Now I'm taking one reaction. See here, very, very important reaction. Cr see here, Cr2O7 minus 2. I'm already taking this reaction in ionic form. It is dichromate ion. It's coming from K2Cr2O7. By removal of K2, you get minus 2. It is dichromate ion. When potassium dichromate reacts with oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is H2C2O4. When you remove these two hydrogens, the ion formed is C2O4 minus 2. It is called anion of oxalic acid, oxalate ion, C2O4 minus 2. And this oxalic acid, okay, it will be oxidized to carbon dioxide in presence of potassium dichromate, okay, in acidic medium, okay, where potassium dichromate oxidizing reactions are seen in acidic medium. It is the second most oxidizing agent after the KMnO4. So this oxalate will change to CO2. Will change to CO2 and see here, this dichromate always in acidic medium changes to chromic ion, which is Cr plus 3. Okay, Cr plus 3, and the chromic ions will form, green color salts. Okay, green color salts. So I told in previous class, that is the dichromate, acidified dichromate, which is bright orange, like a Fanta. Okay, cool drink will be there, Fanta, like bright orange color. When this orange color, okay, substance is came in contact with ethyl alcohol, that is drinks. Okay, so what happens? The ethyl alcohol is oxidized to acetic acid. So it oxidizes the alcohol to carboxylic acid. At the same time, it undergoes reduction to chromic salt. So in the Drunken drive machine, the potassium dichromate with acidic medium is taken. So when any person is consuming alcohol, so he or she is asked to exhale. So what comes out with the gas, with air, droplets of or vapors of alcohol is released out. When that alcohol goes into the machine, what happens? The potassium dichromate oxidizes the alcohol to acetic acid, and this itself undergoes reduction to form green color chromic ions. So therefore, in the machine, what happens? The color changes from the orange to green. And when it changes, you will get sound, beep sound. So based on this, we can identify whether a person is consumed or not the alcohol. Okay, so this is what reaction. Now we have to balance this. Okay, first quickly we'll see its reaction in single step by shortcut. Okay, so what is that? First, whenever the equation is given, balance the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogens. Okay, so here oxygens we need not to balance, then no hydrogens are there. See how many chromium Cr before reaction? Give me response. 2 chromium. And after the reaction, only 1. Make it 2. Now chromium is balanced. Then how many carbons in the oxalate? The formula is C2O4 minus 2. 2 carbons. But in the product, how many are there? Only 1. Make it first 2. Okay. Now the chromium is balanced. Carbons are balanced. Then after balancing these, we have to go for the change in oxidation state. Okay. If you see here, the chromium oxidation state. The chromium oxidation state will be, for 1 it is a +6 and 2 chromium is there, that is a +12. It will be +12. The oxygen will not change. And next here in the product 1 chromium is +3 and 2 chromium into 2 means it is a +6. Whereas in the reactant is +12. Okay. And next, what about this carbon? In oxalate, the carbon, see here, the carbon is +3. The carbon is +3. C2O4 -2. Okay. You are calculating for carbon X. For 1 carbon, 2 carbons 2x. Then 4 oxygens, each one is -2, equal to the charge on the species. What is that? -2. Notice this 2x plus into minus minus. 4 2s are 8 equal to -2. So 2x equal to +6. Okay, for 2 carbons +6. For 1 carbon it is +3. Okay, so in the oxalate the carbon is +3. 1 carbon is +3. 2 carbons is 2x into 2, that is +6. Okay, and next I'll remove this. Okay, and next in the carbon dioxide, the carbon is +4. How many carbons are there? 2. Therefore, into 2. This is total equal to +8. So see here, what is happening? The carbon was +3 changed to +4. Our total is +6 changed to +8. So tell me, is it increased or decreased in oxidation state? Carbon. In oxidation state of carbon, is it increased or decreased? Increased. The increase is called as oxidation. The such reaction is called as oxidation half reaction. And for this, what the change it is? The change is OHR. Oxidation half reaction change is +6 to +8. What is this one? 2. The next here, for this reaction we'll see where dichromate. In dichromate, the chromium was +6 changed to +3. Since 2, okay, since 2. So simply see +6 changed to +3, decrease. It is called as reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction. And we have taken for 2 chromium. So +12 changed to +6. +12 changed to +6. But the difference here, it is a 6. Now simply what you do, crisscross, cross multiply. Okay, multiply, cross multiply with opposite changes. Means OHR, oxidation half reaction into 6. Reduction half reaction into 2. Okay, now we'll write. So OHR into 6. So here before this C2O4 -2, put 6. And here already it is 2 there. So 2 there. So as you are putting here, okay, as you're putting here, what is this one? 6. So what is this one? 6 2s are? 6 2s are? Tell me, 6 2s are? Tell me what is this one? 6 2s are? 12. It is 6 2s are 12. And next here RHR into 2. Okay, 2 Cr2O7 -2. And this will become 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Or you can take, I have since double it. So I got double. So this may be, this 2 may be 1. This 6 may be 3. And this 12 may be 6. And this 4 may be 2 also. Now I don't want these charges. Okay. Now I have to just balance the water molecules. Okay, water molecules. So water molecules means hydrogens and oxygens. Now see the before reaction, how many oxygens are there? 2 7s are 14. Left side. And here also 6 4s are 2 7s are 14. And 6 4s are how many? 6 4s are 6 4s are how many beta? Hello. 6 4s are 24. So total is 4 plus 4 8. 38. Okay, so at the left side, 38 oxygens. Now at right side, check it. 12 twos are 24. Okay, 24 oxygens. So where it is more? Left side. How many more? 38 minus 24, 12. Okay, so we have to add 12 H2O here. Means 12 oxygens is 12 H2O. 12 H2O. 12 H2O. Okay, and other side we have to add hydrogens in the form of H plus because the reaction is acidic medium. So 12 twos are 24. 24 H plus. Now this is a balanced equation. Balanced equation in single step in shortcut method. Okay. Now the same reaction can be written as, okay, what is that? This 24 divided by 2. Divide by 2. 24 H plus can be written as 12 H plus. Then 2 dichromate can be written as 1 dichromate. Cr2O7 minus 2. Then the 6 will become 3. 3 C2O4 minus 2. It is give rise to 6 CO2. And next 2 Cr plus 3 plus 6 H2O. 6 H2O. Now this is what balanced reaction. Understand? And next we'll go for the same reaction. We'll go for the same reaction in a half reaction method. Or you can check this. Or you can check this. If you want, I can take one more reaction for the half reaction. Okay. Oh. So here see, now doing in the half reaction method, the same reaction. So we have seen that the reduction half reaction contain what? Where Cr2O7 minus 2 change to Cr plus 3. Then other half reaction is oxidation half reaction where C2O4 minus 2 oxidized to CO2. Okay. Now the reactions are separated into two halves. Now we'll first balance the any one of the half reaction. Then after that we have to combine. Okay. So take RHR, reduction half reaction. Here, what is that? First balance the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogens. So how many chromium at left side? 2 chromium. 2 chromium. At right side, 1 chromium. So first balance the chromium. So 2 chromium, make it here 2 chromium. Now chromium is balanced. The next, what is to be done? Okay. Okay, what is to be done? See oxygens how many? At left side, 7. At right side, no oxygens. For the medium, acidic medium. Acidic medium. So in acidic medium, what is to be done? Add H2O. So at right side, you need oxygens. How many? 7. So I'll write like this. Cr2O7 minus 2. Then 2 Cr plus 3 and 7 H2O. 7 H2O. Okay, 7 H2O. The next, okay, oxygens are balanced. Then what happened here? 7 twos are, okay, 7 twos are 14. Okay, so 14 hydrogens are at right side, but no hydrogen at left side. Since the reaction is acidic medium, so add H plus ions equal to number of hydrogens required, where it is required. So here at the left side, we have to write 14 H plus Cr2O7 minus 2, which is minus 2, which give rise to 2 Cr plus 3 plus 7 H2O. Now, chromium is balanced, hydrogens are balanced, oxygen is balanced. Now, what is to be balanced? In half reaction method, in ionic form, we have to balance the charge by adding electron. And in the morning class, I told where you have to add the electron. Okay, the charge is balanced by adding electron. So how you add electron? Wherever positive charge is more. Wherever positive charge is more. So see beta. So at left side, what is charge? Okay, need not to go for all the charges. Simply say what is the charge on the species? -2 on the dichromate. Then The charge of total H plus ions, the H plus ions is 14. So therefore, plus 14. So total charge is what here? At left side, plus 12. Then at the product side or at left side, 1 chromium is plus 3 and 2 chromium, 2 3s are 6 and this is 0. Okay, so what is the total charge at right side? Plus 6. So tell me where the positive charge is more? Left side is plus 12, right side is plus 6. So where the positive charge is more? At left side. So you have to add the electrons where positive charge is more. So the plus 12 is made equal to plus 6 by adding electron. Tell me how many electrons to be added to make plus 12 equal to plus 6? 6 electrons. How many electrons to be added? 6 electrons to be added. 6 electrons to be added. So here I will add 6 electrons. Okay, here. Okay, 6 electrons to be added. Now adding here 6 electrons. Now the charge of this, okay, the charge of this, the RHR, dichromate to this chromic ion is balanced. Now keep it aside. Come to the oxidation half reaction. How to balance this? How to balance this? Okay. So see here, oxalate ion, same thing. Oxalate ion contain the 2 carbons. Where carbon dioxide contain only 1 carbon. So whether it is reduction half reaction or oxidation half reaction, you have to first balance the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. So 2 carbons at left side, 1 carbon at right side. So make it first 2 carbons. So I'll write directly. Whereas in IP, you have to write in a 1 step extra. So C2O4 minus 2, 2CO2. Carbons are balanced. And next, balance the oxygens. Check how many oxygens are there here. In left side, 4 oxygens. Right side also 4 oxygens. So here you need not to add any H2O. Since you're not adding any H2O, you need not add H plus also. So to score, to get 4 marks for IP, in IP, you have to just write the same steps for 4 times. You have to write the same step for 4 times. But here, I'm not explaining for IP how to do the balancing. So I'll take directly. Okay. So now we'll next go for the charge. Now, what is the charge at this left side of OHR reaction, oxidation half reaction? -2. It is -2. Next, in the right side, 0 charge. Okay. So -2, 0. Which is positive? Which is more positive? -2 or 0? 0. So therefore, to balance the charge, so you have to add electrons where the positive charge is more. So where positive charge is more? At 0. So how many units? -2 to 0 means 2 electrons. So check here the -2 and this is 0 and 2 electrons are minus. Charge is balanced. Okay. So here this is what the 2 half reactions are balanced. And note one thing. Here students get confused. See, in redox reaction, reducing agent releases electron. Oxidizing agent gains electron. See here, beta. It is reducing agent and this is oxidizing agent. Okay. Reducing agent gives electrons. Oxidizing agent gains electron. Whatever is lost by 2. Okay. Whatever is lost by reducing agent is gained by oxidizing agent. So the number of electrons involved in the reduction half reaction and the oxidation half reaction always must be same. Always must be same. So very, very important step is what? Equate the number of electrons. Okay. Equate the number of electrons. This is what special step seen in the what it is a half reaction method or ion electron method, where you can't see this all in a oxidation number method, because in the beginning only we cross multiply the RHR and OHR with oxidation number changes of opposite reaction. Okay. So here, what happens here? You have to make the electrons of both the reaction, reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction to be same, because whatever is lost here, same is gained in the reduction half reaction. So see here, how many electrons were there? How many electrons were there in reduction half reaction? 6. And how many electrons are involved in this reaction? In this one, 2 electrons. So how you make this 2 electrons equal to 6 into 3? So for the oxidation half reaction, multiply with 3. So in such a way that the number of electrons of this oxidation reaction will become equal to 6 electrons. And reduction half reaction, simply keep like that, because 6 already you got here. Okay. So now this is what into 3 means 3 C2O4 minus 2 you raise to 3 2s are 6. 6 CO2 plus 3 2s are 6 electron. So this is what you got a reaction. Okay. After multiplying. So why this multiplication? To equate the number of electron. Because whatever is lost in the oxidation reaction, the same is gained in the reduction half reaction. Okay. So here simply it is what? Into 1 this is. So you got 2 balanced half reaction. But what you are doing, you're balancing the complete redox reaction. Complete redox reaction. So the final step is what? Combine the both half reactions. Both half reactions. So I'm now going to combine both the half reactions. Okay. I'm writing here. So combine reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction to get a balanced redox reaction. So see beta here. What is a reduction half reaction? What is reduction half reaction? Nia class. Okay. What is reduction half reaction? This one is reduction half reaction where 6 electrons plus 14 plus H plus Cr2O7 minus 2 equal to 2 Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. Then below this, I'm writing this oxidation half reaction. Okay. Oxidation half reaction. Here, while writing, please be careful. Please be careful. So you please put the arrow mark just below of above reaction, because easy to understand, easy to cancel. So what is the before arrow mark? 3 C2O4, that is oxalate. 3 C2O4 minus 2. Okay. Then next, which gives 6 CO2 plus 6 electrons. Now we have to combine this. We have to combine these 2 reactions. Okay. And whatever you get is redox balanced reaction. So here, check what you get. Okay. So see here, first put the arrow. You put the arrow mark. Okay. Arrow below arrow. Now, before arrow, what is there? Dichromate, 14H plus and C2O4 minus and 6 electrons. See, the same 6 electrons are present at the opposite side also. Let them first cancel. Okay. Is there anything common species? Both the side of arrow mark. See, dichromate at the left side. No dichromate here. H plus at the left side. No H plus here. Okay. And oxalate at left side, but no oxalate. Something is different. So what is that? You get here finally the balanced equation as okay. What is this one? 14 H plus 14 H plus 3 C2O4 minus 2 plus Cr2O7 minus 2 give rise to 2 2 Cr plus 3 plus 6 CO2 plus 7 H2O. And this is what? A balanced redox reaction according to half reaction method or ion electron method. Understand? So I will send this. Okay, I'll put these videos in the YouTube. You please watch there, and I'll also put in the group also. And Ahi Krishna, there is no class today. Chemistry no class. You have zoology class. You can go to the zoology class, beta. Okay, thank you. Then I'll post some more organic videos. Okay, for you. Thank you.